At this ministerial meeting, it is imperative for us to adopt action plan to set out short, medium, and long-term objectives that will be beneficial for our people. Furthermore, we will take up the draft declaration on preventing and countering terrorism and violent extremism as a reflection of our commitment to maintain peace and stability and to promote positive messages of tolerance, diversity, and moderation in the Indian Ocean region.
Once again, welcome.
Likewise. Very good always.
Yeah.
Again, we had a very positive discussion about Indonesian and Australian cooperation in the areas of counter-terrorism, countering violent extremism. We spoke about our efforts to cooperate on the question of returning foreign terrorist fighters. We also spoke about our cooperation in cyber, and also we spoke about a number of regional issues. But the relationship with Indonesia in the area of security, intelligence, law enforcement could not be stronger, could not be more cooperative. And so it's been a delight to speak with you and meet with you again.